so we find the middle. That's where I want it.
The way she moves. The way she moves is so enchanting. I'll leave it up to you. I'm on fire.
What do you think about the wing?
Catch me on my good side.
Your good side. I think all of your sides are good.
I think we have done a tremendous job placing
so?
this wing on this car.
Yes.
As you can see, the lines match up.
Perfect.
As well, you can see the color fits very well.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same color.
It should be.
Yeah,
It cost me a lot of money.
Yeah,
so it should be.
It's a good job. It's a good job.
It's a well done
Yeah,
job.
you should buy that guy some roses.
The Polish people did a real good job with the paint.
Yeah.
Thank you, Polish people.
And then you fucked it up by. Don't film that.
It was a very difficult task to put them together.
Yeah. We hope the wing doesn't come off when we drive it 160 kilometers per hour. And we also hope it dries up because it's supposed to be in room temperature. We hope and we hope.
I don't know how many hours it takes to harden, but I hope nobody comes and steals.
Yeah.